Affirmative, Captain. Incredible. So this is what it's like to experience complete concentration. Enlightening.
Yeah! Ha ha! As if that could hold me back.
Monitors, display funny kitties.
Oh! Cute little kittens! I love little guys, you're so cute. Oh, I wish you could come home with me. Oh, look at you! I'm gonna call you Felipe. I love you, Felipe. Prepare to be voted off. It's elimination time.
Music!
Oh, I like this one.
Nova, sing along!
I can make the moves. I can hit the notes. I can...
Digit! Fist bump!
Dance emergency in progress.
Uh-oh! Dance emergency!
The rhythm's got to me.
McLaren, do you still have that 12-colored laser pointer you were desperate to use earlier?
This one?
Exactly! Now, make sure it's turned off and don't point it at anything.
Yes, sir. I just need to flip the safety switch. Oh, sorry, I messed up.
Precisely as calculated. Great work, McLaren.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, I got you. Oh, you got away. No, please. Please stop. It's too much. But I want to. No, I must. Oh, but this color's they're just so. Help me, please make it stop. Just take it away, please. I can't focus on anything. All I can think about is glitter and unicorns and funny cat videos and novelty hot water bottles.
Ah, deep trouble. Hot water.
I can help you, but you'll have to give up every power you've stolen. It's the only way.
Of course. Just take them all away. Take them all away, please.
Sid, you've saved the day.
And most importantly, you saved my crossword. Now you're getting it.
But my humble dreams of being a galaxy-wide mega famous pop star.
You'll need to start again. This time without stealing talent. Just hard work, practice, and patience.
Of course. I'll do it.
Find something you truly love and stick at it.
It takes 10,000 hours of practice to perfect something. Did you know that?
Indeed. Practice makes perfect.
Perfect,
Thank you, Sid. You're the most talented being I've met. I promise you, I'll use my time well. Oh. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, it's beautiful.
Back to normal. Just in time. The extra sellout shows have just sold out.
Really?
As have the extra sold out sellout extra shows.
Fabulous. It's going to be the best tour ever. How can it not be when I've got the most talented crew a galaxy-wide, mega-famous pop star could ever wish for? Though I am still the best singer on board, am I right?
Hey, Sid.
Hey.
Oh.
Captain, time to tour. If you'd be so kind as to use your incredible piloting talent to get us safely to our destination.
Oh, please. You'll make me blush.
No!